YouTube. This is Little Red Homestead here. We're in the camper again. Today's mission is to get the camper set, and as you can see, we're off to a bit of a rocky start. What's happened is somewhere along the winterizing process, I missed a step and our pump has frozen. So temporary fix on this is to eliminate the pump from the system, and that should stop the leaking. I turned on the water to pressure check everything and it just sort of shot out through here and just made itself a general nuisance. So what I'm going to do is chop the input line and cap it, and I'm also going to chop the output line and cap that as well. That'll take the whole pump right out of the system so that I can take it out and get it replaced, and then slap a new one in. Okay, thought I'd come back real quick here and show you the progress. I've got the supply line side cut, and I wanted to let you know that I narrowly missed a horrible fate. You see the scratch on my hand there? The knife let go and my hand was in a bad spot, so just another further reminder to always be careful what you're doing. And if you have one of these, this knife here, it's often given out by places of employment. You have to cut cardboard or whatnot, and I can't remember exactly where I got this one from, but you notice how it's spring-loaded? That is the most dangerous thing in the world right there. It's not stable, since all of your focus is on keeping that blade out and not where your hands are, so you're worried about where that blade is, and then the next thing you know, you cut your hand. So I would advise getting rid of these. The only reason I keep them around is for simple cardboard breaking down, and I can't find my nice gray one, so this guy's having to do for the project. I'll have to be more careful next time. Okay, what I've got to accomplish this project is this neat little thing I found. It's called a shark bite connector, and it works with the PEX tubing. And if you look down in there, it's got a ton of teeth. So all this guy does is you just push it on the end and it's good to go. It really is the fastest and simplest solution to this problem to get back on the road. Alright, final piece is in. The pump has been removed from the system. So the only downfall to this temporary quick fix is that if we're off away from a city hookup, we're just going to have to carry water or use bottled water. But so the output line is capped and the input line is capped, and so that essentially this pump is not doing anything. It's just a shell right now. What happened, I don't know if you could see, but this cap, it looks like I thought I got all the water out of it, but apparently I missed some, and this cap froze and broke here by the looks of it, and it proceeded to just shoot water out there. So that's out. I'm going to try pressure testing this thing one more time to make sure that this fix doesn't leak, and also that the rest of it works and there are no more leaks. Alright, the water's on, no leaks, the caps are holding. You can feel the line's getting cool, so I know there's water behind there. So this error is corrected. Next I'm off to hunt down some more. Alright, so everything else checked out. There are no leaks coming off the water heater. Everything in the bathroom is checking out. Even check underneath the sink there. Everything's holding water. I'd say the water is set for now. So quick update here. All of the water systems test out. The fix that I put in place for the broken pump works. Everything else is holding water across the whole camper. Testing the gas now. I've got the water heater turned on. I'm waiting for it to finish up. The range works. The oven works. Tested the furnace. It works, and I wasn't blown up. which is always a sure sign of success. What's left, I'm going to test vents, and I've got to test the fridge to make sure the pilot light's on that. So let's give that a go. So I've got gas light there. It's really a tricky one. I can't hear it running. I guess we'll know if it stays cold. There's a cold freezer. That's probably the best freezer I've ever owned right there. And so what I'm going to do is save you the boredom, and I'm going to watch this orange light. And if it starts blinking, I'll have to diagnose the problem, but I don't suspect we'll have any issues. Everything so far, with the exception of that pump, has gone relatively smooth. So there it is. The camper's ready to go. I'm not going to show you the sink just yet because I have dishes to wash with my brand new hot water. So, yay me, this is Little Red Homestead signing off. If you like what you see, feel free to subscribe. Throw us a like. Love to have you along for the journey. So until next time.